One of the many questions I get asked is how to ship my trunking blanket. So aside packing it with the vacuum seal bags and the polymathers, another thing I use is pirates.com or pirateship.com. I think that's the name, pirateship.com. It's a website. So I go on my laptop. You see here, create shipping, ship. I usually do a single shipment, so I put in the address of where it's going to. It already saved my address, but I had to work that out. Then the type of packaging you're shipping is I usually use this box, it's not envelope because the dimension. So you put in the dimensions here, the length, width, height, and then the weight of the item you're shipping. So I have my weighing scale. I use it to weigh the items, then you generate rates or get rates. It's usually between USPS and UPS. If I have multiple packages to ship, I try to use one vendor. Like if I'm using USPS for the first one, I try to stick with USPS for all of them. So I just go and dump everything there. If I selected UPS for the first one, I use UPS for every other one. The shipping, I've been using this website since like last year, 2023, 2024. I've not had any issues with it. It is very cost effective for me. The only thing is I need to have a thermal label and a thermal printer at home that I connect to my laptop and then print out the labels. Like you do everything yourself and then just go drop it off at USPS or UPS, depending on which one you select. It's very easy to use, user friendly to navigate. You just create an account with them, it saves your address, then even save the addresses that you've used before. I don't want to show that because of privacy. But if I go to my shipping history, like if one of my previous clients orders something, I just go and duplicate shipping, like or copy the shipping information there. I don't need to go and start running around looking for their address or asking them for their address again. It's already saved on the shipment history that I have. I hope you find that useful. I hope that helps. So thank you. I hope you find that useful. Thanks for watching.